Parents play a major role in a student's future. In fact, research shows that parents have a greater influence on a young person's career choice than anyone else. But when should career exploration start? And how can parents help? Many families look at college first and assume that a career choice will emerge. But some experts say that approach may not be best.
We need to flip the college decision-making paradigm in America so that it's no longer pick a college first and then a major and then a career, but instead let's pick a tentative career first. And then that should inform what major or training program we should enroll into, and that should then inform where to go.
This is Dr. Kevin Fleming, a researcher and author on career pathways.
Today, over 60% of students walk into a college classroom. So that's no longer the point of differentiation. So the question is, why are they there? And that career exploration component is almost absent. Today, the statistic is that high school seniors will have 14 jobs by the time they're 40. So it's no longer about what you want to do the rest of your life. It's just a matter of what you want to do first. And once they've chosen that initial tentative career choice, then the second question is, what's the major or training options or work experience you need to get that? And then thirdly, then where's the college or training program I should enroll in to be successful?
The Department of Labor recognizes close to 950 different occupations. If you researched one job a day, it would take you nearly 3 years to explore them all. So what are the first steps if a young person doesn't know what they want to do?
If a parent would come in and say, I have no idea what my child wants to do, probably the first thing I would recommend is start doing some interest surveys.
This is Sarah Taylor. She works for Great Oaks Career Campuses, helping students find their pathways.
Start looking at what are their skills, what are their aptitudes, what are they interested in. There's a lot of free resources out there that they could go on and do interest skills, interest inventories.
One place to start is the Ohio Means Jobs website, where students can take different assessments for free. You can also check with your school and local libraries to see what career exploration resources they have. After taking self-exploration assessments, research what jobs are actually out there. The labor market is changing fast and new jobs are being created all the time. In fact, Ohio is expected to add 178,000 jobs annually through 2022.
The job market has changed dramatically in the last 10 years or so with the influx of technology that's hitting into all aspects of the job market.
When researching careers, look for industries that are going to produce lots of jobs in your region, like healthcare, construction, financial services, and IT.
Do the alignment and say, okay, given my personality, given my strengths and my financial situation, and then given all the jobs and the careers that are out there, identify the different paths to get to where I want to go. Because no matter what job you identify, there are multiple paths to get there. So the fourth step is to do what's called a skills-based education plan. Identify the courses, the major, the training program, but then also to identify what are the skills you need, what's the work experience you need. So if any student goes through those steps, that simple process will get them light years ahead of where their other colleagues and friends are that are not doing that process.
When thinking about the future, be sure to explore many options. Just as there isn't one career, there isn't just one way to get there. It's all about finding the right pathway for each student.